Hey guys, it's Chefing with Nye. Come make some dinner with me and chat a little bit. In this video, we're gonna be making some pan-seared steak over some creamy garlic mashed potatoes, paired with a side of cabbage that is so delicious. If you're watching this, thank you for joining me as this is my first long form video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. How else you gonna get these recipes, vlogs, and these everyday to day meals? I do already have a couple shorts up showing some delicious meals that I've already made. Make sure you go check those out. Now that I've introduced myself, let's go ahead and get back to the video. We seasoned them steaks on both sides with salt and pepper. Now we're gonna go ahead and prep for our cabbage. It's not required if you want to do a pan-seared steak, but I did want the grill look on our steak, so that's why I put it on a George Foreman. I really need to get a bigger George Foreman because 2 on this small thing was a struggle. If you are going to use a George Foreman or something to get the grill marks like I did, only let it sit on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to let it cook too much if you still plan to put it on the stove. And now that we're getting started on our cabbage, I like to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, and then I add in my sausage. Cook that until it browns, and then set it to the side. We're gonna put our vegetables inside the same pan that we just took our sausages out of so it can absorb all that flavor. It needs to go inside of the cabbage. But now we're about to get into that process. Everything will be on the screen, so just enjoy. And now back to the steak. We're gonna put a couple pieces of butter in there. We're gonna put a couple of cloves of garlic in there. I think I did 3 and just cut them in half. I also put some rosemary inside of there. Put my steaks in there. I definitely stuffed on things, but it works, so it is what it is. I'm gonna let those cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Flip them over, take them out, set them to the side, and let them rest. I'd be too happy about these mashed potatoes because they're so quick and so good. But I put 2 cups of water inside of this pot, let it boil. Then I added that packet inside of there. I think I did 2 packs. That's why. Anyways, just follow the instructions if you do get those. But yes, I love how these be. They're so freaking creamy. That cabbage is all done, looking so good and juicy. Then we're gonna cut that steak after we let it rest for about 20 minutes. And the way that juice was coming out this steak, baby, it was so freaking good. So freaking good. I like my steaks more to the medium well side. So this pink is just the right amount for me. And to think I used to like my steak well done when I was a child, I'm so disappointed. Too doggone happy. Period. Go girl. Go girl. Love that. Then that fat. I freaking love fat. You cannot tell me fat is not the best part of meat. May not be the healthiest, but it is the best. Let's be honest. This is Cooking with Chefing with Nye, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more of these delicious meals and just see what else we are up to. You can keep up with me on all socials at Chefing with Nye, and I hope you enjoyed my first long-form video. Make sure if you make this meal to tag me in it. I would love to see how it turns out. If you add your own little spice to it, I would definitely love to see that. I love getting recipes from other chefs. Chefing with Nye out. Mwah. Bye.